guys, after 11 years, we're here at Rovaniemi.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised.
Finally, I'm here. Timo and Aras, humble, summer house, summer cafe.
But one day I'll be yours again.
Oh, look at noise.
Life lessons come one in a.
So guys, now we're going a little bit up to see kung maganda din ang view doon sa kabila. And I'm here in Lapland. I'm with Ara. Ara and me here. So today, ito yung activity. Kahapon ako dumating and then napunta kami ng Santa Claus. And then today, ito naman sa Levee. Then mag-grill mamaya. And then bukas, I don't know, bahay lang.
Kung ulan,
yeah.
bahay lang.
Actually, yung weather talaga is not so good. But anyway, that's how it is. But it's a beautiful view. Actually, it's time check. It's, I think, 9 ano? I think it's 9 p.m. now this time. So now guys, ang ganda ng view, diba? Pinakita ko na sa inyo. So right now, bababa tayo ng konti. Punta tayo dyan. Dyan area na yan. Ang ganda talaga ng view dito. Uy! Grabe! Kita yung lake. So yun ang guys. So very fun niya dito.
You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again.
Done with our adventure. And we're home.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
So, hi guys! Good day, good day! It's my 4th day in Lapland and today is Tuesday. So, pupunta kami Tukmani and saan pa nga yun? Levy Village. So, see you there. So, actually guys, it's my 3rd day pala. It's not my 4th day. So, it's my 3rd day in Finland. So, punta kami Levy Village and now andito kami sa Basura Center. As their Basura sorting center here sa Lapland. No? So, tuloy-tuloy na yan siya doon. Tuloy-tuloy na yan siya doon hanggang. So, Levy Village in Levy, Lapland. So, ang ganda ng mga kuha nila dito guys, buildings and ang tawag nito. And then that one there for skiing, place yan siya every winter pag may snow. So, ngayon wala, tahimik kasi summer. So, let's explore this place guys, let's explore this place. So, we're in a coffee shop dito sa Levy, and ito nga, I buy this Mandarin cake. This one is Mandarin cake and the hot chocolate. Good.
Oh, mga pensioner.
Grupo siguro na sila. Diba magtapod sa balay? Ito sila dira po. Diba yan? Ilo sa Ilohang.
Diri naman nag-rent si Ronaldo. Katugan ni Clyde.
Ah, diri siya nag-rent. Ah.
Saka balay gid. Saka
This really happened here. I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Guys, guys, good morning. It's my 4th day. It's Wednesday today, I think. I came Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It's Wednesday, so it's my 4th day. So ngayong araw, activity namin is just dito lang. Hindi kami lalabas. Kahapon galing kaming Levy Village. So ngayon dito lang talaga kami. So ang ginawa ko ngayon ay magwawash ako ng clothes. Yes. Para hindi ako magdala ng maraming maduming damit. So naglaba ako ngayon kasi yung train ko pabalik ng Helsinki. I'll be going directly to Helsinki instead of Vasa. It's a Saturday. So ayun, maglalaba ako, and then later on, I don't know, bababa siguro ako doon sa my river. I just wanted to see how is it there. Unfortunately, walang masyadong blueberry ngayon. So let's see what we can do this day. Then magigrill pala kami ngayon ng pork. So yan yung activity muna ngayon. Maglalaba ako. I'm going there sa baba, sa river, and then probably just rest. Yeah, this is totally vacation. Just rest. Walang stress, wala kang ibang iniisip. So watch out for 4th day. Then tomorrow, 5th day, is, ang pagkakaalam ko, we're going to the boundary sa Sweden, sa Kolari. So, see you later. Malakaw. Bakasyon kasi sa atin, 'di ba, nasa mga beach, nasa kuan talaga. Nasa mga beach sila, malalaking mga bahay. Dito hindi. It was like a modern bahay ko, pero mas kuan siya. Kumbaga parang ligon siya, ligon kaayo. So dito ako ngayon na, pababa na. Yes. It's my first time bumaba after my 4th day. Yung malaking, you know? Yeah, wow! Wow, so nice here! OMG! Grabing lumot, uy! Diba yung naglagay-lagay sa ilog ng Finland? Puta na ko panigo. Nagamit ra gyud. Finally, go shopping. So finally guys, we're here sa Pajala, Sweden. So diri ka mag-work R. So banir skolari R. Coffee shop. So what? Second-hand shopping. So now guys, it's my 5th day. 5th day. So sa 5 days namin dito kami sa Sweden. Borderline. No, sa borderline. Borderline personality. Nasa border kami ng Sweden and Finland. So dito kami sa Pajala. Ang tawag Pajala. Dito. Dapat oh. So finally we're here. Anong restaurant na? Saan siya ng restaurant? Los Lompolos. Ha?
Ingon niya, ready na daw ang uling. Bago pa din gusto na ka ng
Nakuha na.
napaig yung.
So it's the end of my 5th day. So we've been today, ang dami naming nagawa, ang dami naming travel, charots. We go to the border, so we go to Pajala, Sweden, and then we go to Kolari, and then to Ulas. So we've been there, then home. So that's our activity for today. And now it's dinner time. Time check, it's 10. Maybe it's almost 11. And this is our dinner for today. And the great chef. So, Ara. Try doon na to. So, hi guys. Good day to you. Sobrang init ngayong araw. It's my 6 days. Today is my 6th day here in Lapland. Sa Kitila mismo. And then, it's a lazy day today. Andito lang kami kasi sobrang it's plus 29 degrees. Sobrang mainit. So, I was thinking on what to do. Nag-iisip ako kung ano yung igagawin ko or so what. But I am thinking na to show you where I am staying. Sandali lang ha. Change ako ng sleeper. Change lang ako ng sleeper. So right now, I'm showing you where I am staying. Kasi parang ang ganda for you to know. It's authentic Finnish summer. So medyo dito tayo mag-uumpisa. So it's a beautiful summer day. And then nandito tayo ngayon. So, I'll show you ha. I show you. Yan. Medyo taas ng araw ngayon eh. So, right now, ito yung summer house. Made of wood. Lahat. Ito. Sobrang tibay. Yan. So, meron silang barasto doon. Garage barasto. And then, ito yung bahay nila. So, this house was named here. Yan. So, before ka papasok, it's the sauna. Ito yung sauna nila. Wood. Yan nga. And then, yung water nila, deep well. Dyan. Yan yung deep well nila. Deep well. So, dito sa grill. Ayan. So, pasok tayo. And ito nga. This is the front. And then doon, may river doon. Ito mga blueberries yan. So, it's very authentic summer house kasi mostly modern summer house are made of tabla. So, ito, wood. Very, very strong wood. Tagal na to eh. So, ayan. Ayan. So, papasok tayo. This is the entrance. Nilagyan lang nito kasi ang daming lamok. Summer ngayon. So, ito. Yan. And then, ito yung kanilang receiving area. Charots. So, ang ganda diba? So, ang sand dito, pumapasok yan. Mga gamit yan, di pa naayos, but it's okay. So, when we come inside, so, papasok tayo guys, papasok dito na ako sa loob, no? Sa same area. So, pagpasok mo, ayan. Charots. Living room. Ayan, living room. And then, kitchen. Ito yung kitchen nila. Wooden. Tingnan yung mga dingding. And then the roof, ang ceiling is kahoy din. Yan. Asa gugikan ang kananete? Kahoy Russia, no? Yeah, it's from Russia. The logs, the wood. Ito. Yung kahoy na to. So talaga super. And hindi ito ginamitan ng nails kasi nga it won't work. The nails won't work. So, I don't know. Pero parang may pandikit sila dito na nilagay. So, walang nails dyan. And then, this is the kitchen. And the ano nga to? Fireplace. Yeah. Made of stone. No? Stone. Made of stones. So, pag winter, ayan, naayos yan. Ayan, no? Pag winter. then this is the kitchen. A little bit modern na yung kitchen nila. So, pero wood ito lahat. Tingnan mo. Yun. It's very, very strong wood talaga. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa. And ito. Nagamit nila. So, everything is here. Very nice. So, yeah, meron din sa chair made of wood. Like, yan. Meron ko na light. Chair ito. And, what is so amazing here is yung collections ng may-ari. Churros! Yung nanay ng may-ari. Collections niya. Mga dolls, Sami dolls. From Sami people, from Sami tribes. Yan, ang dami. Yan, mga Sami products. Mga original products talaga to. So, pag ibibenta to, sobrang mahal. So, yan. Hindi masyadong kwan, guys. So, yan nga, yung mga dolls. So, pag ibibenta mo to, sobrang mahal na nito. It's antique. Yan, parang antique na. Ayan. And, aside from that, meron silang attic room and room here, another one room here. Dito tayo papasok siya. And then, ay, sobrang kwan talaga. So, ito, another room. Akitan natin. Ayan. Oy, hindi masyadong walang ilaw. So, yan. Diyan siya. So hi guys, it's my last day, 7 days. It's been a week since I come and then it's time to go home. So I have to put all my things here. So hinahinay lang na